Okay, Awesome Osprey kindergartners, our second step is to make dandelions on our purple paper. So you're going to take the paintbrush that you created, and you're going to take your white and yellow paint. Now what you're going to need to do is to make sure your whole paintbrush has the paint on it. So you're just going to kind of mix and circle, and if you just want yellow, that's fine. You could even twirl, but you want to make sure the whole paintbrush has paint on it. And then you're going to dab, dab, turn, dab, turn, dab, and dab, turn. Oh, this brush doesn't have any paint on it, so I want to make sure it all has paint. Now, if you have too much paint, then your paintbrush will be done really quite fast, okay? So you just want a little bit of paint. Now turn, little bit of paint, now turn. Okay, little bit of paint, now turn, little bit of paint, now turn. So it looks like you have dandelion blossoms. You're going to take your crayon. What color are we using?
Green.
Our green crayon. And you're going to make stems. So I'm turning this paper over. And I'm making my stems. 1, 2, 3. I can make it like a bouquet. And I just want them to come down to the ground. Come down all the way down to the bottom of the paper. Okay, now we are ready for step number 3. So I hope you are paying attention to step number 3. We have to let the paint dry. So as the paint dries, we're going to come on up and get my green strip. You guys see this green strip? You can look up, okay? And you're going to fold that green strip. You're going to fold it in half. And you're going to fold it in half again. Then you can take a pencil and draw a zigzag line. Watch as I draw my zigzag line. I'm going to start up and down. I don't go all the way. I just go to the middle of my green paper. Can you see it? Should I zoom in? You really can't see it?
It's too light.
I should probably use a marker for the video, huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you see it? See how I went to the middle of the paper? Okay. Now be careful because your paint is drying, so you have to let it dry. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And we'll take our scissors. There we go. And we'll cut on that line. Watch. Here we go. Watch. 1, 2. Up. Down. Up. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because nature isn't perfect. Right? That's okay. Now I'm going to take my extras, and that's trash. Can put the trash away, or maybe I can use it for a different project. Okay, ready? Are you ready to see? And I open it up.
That's the grass.
And what is it, everybody?
Grass.
That's my grass. I'm going to put it down. Now, my grass is a little bit longer than my paper, right?
You are supposed to make it into, you gotta cut it.
I can cut it. That's one way I can solve that problem. Just go ahead, sit down, Tate. We're finishing up this video.
You have to make it like a long circle.
Oh, we're not at the long circle part. Okay, here we go. That's it, right there. And I want to glue it on. Glue, 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 glue. I really do need to glue a lot, don't I?
Yeah.
I don't want it to fall off. When I hang up, I really want it glued on. So I need to make sure the glue is really on there. It can go up. Really strong glue. Can put it down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And you can solve the problem of the extra strip a lot of different ways, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to solve that problem by cutting off my extra piece. I'm going to come down here. Do you see this? And I'm going to cut along so I don't cut my purple. Okay, that is step 2 and 3 of a windsock. Is it a windsock yet?
No.
All right, let's finish this step before we can find out what happens next. All right, are you guys ready to create?
Yeah.
Hey, Osprey, lead